Today I'm going to show you how to work a simple purl stitch. So if you've watched my how to cast on video and you've watched my how to work a knit stitch video, you are now able to move on to how to work a purl stitch. So the knit stitch, in the previous video, you go from the front into the back of the stitch. Now purl stitch, you'll work the other way. You're going to work into this stitch, but from the back towards the front. If I show you, that's into the stitch, from the back towards the front, around, pull through and off. And again, I'm pulling this to tension, just like I did with the knit stitch. So around, pull through and off. So you're going in from the back towards the front and around, pull through and off. In, 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 around, pull through and off. Let's see if I can give you a better view. You're going, how can I do a better view of that? In from the back, through that stitch, around, pull through and off. In, around, pull through and off, and the last stitch works in the same way. Around, pull through and off. So that is your purl stitch, and you know that you've just worked a purl row when you see these bumps, and that's what you see, a purl stitch. I hope you found that helpful. Do take a look at my video that shows you how to work stocking stitch, which will be a knit row and a purl row, but that's how you work your purl stitch. I hope that helped.